Good afternoon, this is MetLoop meteorologist Nancy Koslick here with an update on today's forecast. We're continuing to see quiet and beautiful conditions for the western half of the U.S., with the exception of just a little bit of cloud cover throughout Montana, parts of Wyoming, and the Dakotas this afternoon. But we are continuing to watch a frontal boundary that's draped from the Great Lakes region all the way down into the state of Texas this afternoon, and we are seeing plenty of showers in front of that boundary. So heading into the rest of tonight, we'll continue to see the rainfall out in front of this front, but we could see a little bit of thunderstorm activity as we work our way down south, especially just off the coast of Texas right now. We are seeing some more of that heavy rainfall into the Gulf, and into tonight we could see a few of those thunderstorms creep on shore, but for the most part we're not expecting anything in the way of severe activity. As far as the north goes, we will continue to see plenty of showers in front of the boundary, but again, not much in the way of thunderstorms, and especially no severe thunderstorms heading into the rest of tonight. So that is definitely good news. We're also continuing to see really pleasant temperatures out there. We've got, in general, the 50s and 60s for many of us. Of course, the 80s still lingering for the state of Florida, and we even had a few down into the very southern tip of Texas a little bit earlier. And we are continuing to see plenty of above normal temperatures for the west coast today as well. Looking ahead into the rest of this afternoon and the overnight hours, we'll continue to see that frontal boundary make its way to the east and bring with it all of those showers and a few thunderstorms. In fact, by a little bit later on this evening, we'll start to see that activity pick up just a little bit, especially for eastern Kentucky and heading into West Virginia. But again, we're not expecting anything in the way of organized severe activity for the rest of tonight. We'll also see plenty of showers and thunderstorms remaining just off the coast in the Gulf of Mexico, but we'll see plenty of them on shore as well, extending from Texas all the way along the Gulf Coast into the panhandle of Florida. Make sure to keep checking back on Facebook as well as metloop.com for all of your weather updates. Thank you for watching and have a great afternoon.